Hello viewers, welcome to KT's Techno Teach. In this video, we will see about how to convert two-dimensional image to three-dimensional image and animations. If you have your own imagination, you can just convert your imagination into image and you can convert that image into reality. That too three-dimensional animation. Okay, so VRPix is a AI tool, so which will convert two-dimensional image to three-dimensional image and animations. So in free version itself, we have 300 free credits. So you can best make use of these 300 free credits. Suppose if we have not used the high resolution pictures, we can create many number of 3D animations in free version itself. Now let's see how to create account and how to create beautiful animations. First step is you have to click get started with Leapix. So for sign up process, you have to use your Gmail ID to create account, and then you will get the interface area like this. Left hand side, you can get the image where you have to convert the image, right? And right side, so this is the very good option. In other AI animations tools, there won't be any customized option. In this tool, Leapix have customizable option. Okay, so we can customize our own style. Okay, animation style, animation length, amount of motion, focus points. Okay, so these things will happen in this Leapix. Now let's see how to create beautiful animation. For example, just click upload option. Okay, if you have any picture in your system, so you can directly select the image. Okay, so I have already downloaded this image, okay, from Lexica AI, where you can get beautiful high quality pictures in Lexica AI, right? I have downloaded the Einstein image in Lexica AI, okay, and you can find the different options. Okay, if you want to change the animations like rotation or horizontal direction, okay, so you can change here. You can change the animation style: horizontal, white circle, circle, vertical. Okay, and you can change the animation length also, not medium long. Okay, you can change the animation length. Okay, so this way you can change, and amount of motion. Okay, so you can give less amount or you can give more. Okay, so this you can change, and focus point. Okay, so which area you have to focus, so you can also change the focus point. Okay, other options also there, so you can make use of this wonderful features in this Leapix AI tool. Once everything is okay, you have to export this animation. Okay, for downloading you can click export option, and you can get a pop-up window like this. Okay, file type, you can also select the file type. So MP4 original size. Now take 50 credits in your account, in free account. Okay, suppose if you don't want to high resolution, so you can reduce the resolution. For example, MP4 limited to 720, so it's a free only, so it will not take the free credits. Okay, and it is enough, I think it is enough. Okay, and you can click share options. Okay, so in free accounts you can create this beautiful three-dimensional animation. Let me go for another example. I can click upload option. So I have already downloaded the Shakespeare image. I can click over here, and I have added here. So it will take few seconds, so you can get Shakespeare animations. And if you want to change, you can change in the right side. You can get many options. Okay, you can change, and you can click export options. So you can select free resolution type, and you can save the image. That's it. So similarly, you can create beautiful three-dimensional animations for your e-content preparation or video creation. Or if you have any idea, you can also copy this animation into your PowerPoint presentation, so it will give more attractive. Okay. So this way, the Leapix AI will help more for your teaching learning process. So whatever the subject we handle, so we can better make use of this Leapix AI for our presentation. Hope this video will be very useful. We will meet in another interesting AI application. Thank you so much.